Summer is here and the kids are out of school, which means it's a great time to take extra care of you and your family's teeth. Dr. Amrita Marajh from Great Expressions Dental Centers is here to tell us what we all need to do this summer. Welcome, doctor. How you doing?
Great. Thank you for having me.
Well, thank you for being here. Obviously, this is a very important topic. People's routines tend to get messed up during summer, and some people even want to slack. Don't slack on your dental health, though.
No, we want you to stick with your oral care routine. You want to brush twice a day and you want to floss twice a day. If you were to pick one time to floss, we would recommend doing that at night. It's kind of when all the stuff happens, so right before you go to bed would be the time you would want to floss.
I was going to say, when you first said that, floss twice a day, I kind of wanted to shrink in my chair a little bit.
Lot.
I was like,
it's a lot.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
But if you have to pick one, why at night? What happens at night that you see the benefits?
Your salivary flow slows down at night, and the bacteria just goes to town. There's nothing to get in the way of stopping it, dislodging it from where it wants to go. So you want to make sure that you don't leave any substrate there for it to feed on.
Okay. Yeah. Now I know why that is so important. Right. But when you want to talk about how to do things correctly in the brushing world, let's first start talking about the brush. What kind of brush do you recommend? I know there's always a debate out there.
Yeah, I'll tell you what I use, and I recommend to all of my patients. I use an electric toothbrush with a soft brush head. It's very kind to your gum, and it pretty much does all the work for you. So picture manual brushing versus this thing that goes around 40,000 times per minute. Does a good job. It feels professional.
Okay, so the first key is the electric toothbrush. What about some of the other tips you may have for this summer?
Well, first and foremost, you have a lot of time available to you in the summer, so we say take advantage of it, be proactive, schedule to see your dentist, get your checkup, get any treatment started. A lot of times too, people travel in the summer. You want to go see your dentist beforehand. The last thing you want is to be out of the country or even in a different state seeking emergency dental care. So that's first and foremost, schedule.
Okay.
Yeah, go get your routine checkup.
Okay.
Additionally, I know it's hot out there and a lot of people want to chew ice. We want you to refrain from doing that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yes.
Now we're getting down to the nitty-gritty, literally.
What happens when you chew ice is you make your teeth very vulnerable and they tend to fracture after that. It becomes a major dental emergency. You want to avoid that.
You know, you hear so much of talking about, I kind of breaking off this chewing of the ice thing. Does it hurt like the enamel? That's what I feel like so much is kind of in one of the buzzwords you're hearing these days.
Yeah, it sure does. It just renders it weaker and it leads to fracture. So you want to be careful with that.
Okay, so no ice. And when it comes to protecting things, the enamel, the tooth, I mean, a lot of sports are played in summer. So how important is it for the old mouth guard?
Really important, and not just with contact sports. Fracture does not discriminate between contact and non-contact sports, so you want to wear it even when you're just rollerblading. Really? Yeah, you want to protect your teeth.
What about a mouth guard? I mean, it seems kind of intimidating. Like, how do you know? Are there any tips that you can have on the mouth guard front?
You can get one custom made by your dentist. So at Great Expressions Dental Centers, we actually custom make the Under Armour mouth guards.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, we have 25 locations around Tampa Bay, so it's pretty convenient. Just get in there, we'll make you a custom one that fits only you, and they're pretty comfortable to wear.
And I was gonna say, that's gotta make it a lot easier and make especially kids want to wear it if it fits you correctly.
Absolutely.
Wow. Well, thank you so much. Great tips for the summer. Don't neglect your teeth. For more information on Great Expressions Dental Centers, just check out their website or even their Facebook page right there, facebook.com/greatexpressions. And there's the phone number, 888-SMILE-80.